Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open your phone application, then go to the contacts section, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit it, then tap on the camera icon to add photo. Then you have an option to take photo or to select photo from the gallery. Then you have to select photo. Here you can adjust it, and then just tap done, and after that save, and image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.